most favorite Thai food, that is masaman chicken with some roti. Everything is in cash. This is what has been bugging me, you know. They don't accept card. If they do, then there are like extra charges. And just the way this country works is little complicated. Also, people very friendly, very nice, very calm, but only to foreigners. Feels like I'm stuck here and I want to leave as soon as I can, you know. She was complaining to me about that taxi driver that you guys are really nice to us, right? Why not to each other? That is my question. So like, it's a new day and I'm literally saving my memory because I'm running out of space. So I found a place where I'll buy some memory card, but I have to go there first because that place closes at 7, so I have to be in a rush. But finally I'm here. Gonna have my most favorite Thai food, that is masaman chicken with some roti. I've ordered also extra rice for me, which they're about to serve. So I'll not speak to the camera much. Instead of that, you know, I'll find my memory card first and then I'll find my exit from here. Just so good, you know. It's very good. Memory cards finally. You know, like everything is in cash. Everything is in cash. This is what has been bugging me. You know, they don't accept card. If they do, then there are like extra charges. You know, like it's complicated, man. Really, it's complicated. And I want to go from this country as soon as I can. I thought that I'll leave today because yesterday at the hotel where I was staying for the last 2 days, and they said like I have to leave. I said I'll pay for one more night, and they were like, no, it's like somebody booked it. Now you fuck off. Now you go away. I was like, obviously they didn't set that things in this tone. They said like just I cannot rebook it. So I found one place and I booked a cab, bike taxi to go to that place, and it took me like 200 baht, around like 200 baht. It's like 19 kilometers away, the cheapest place that I've found. And but I didn't notice that it's like far across from the city, and they don't have any balcony and there are no windows. Like I cannot smoke, so like there is no option for me to live there, you know. So I ate there for a while, you know, like had something, just little thing. I thought that I ordered pork satay or whatever they call it. I ordered that and they gave me that little portion, you know. Like I was like, okay, more stressing, you know. But people are really nice. I have no complaints about the people, you know. It's just the way this country works is little complicated. Also, people are really nice, like they're friendly. Even though when I was sitting there, one guy like he came across to me and he said like, he asked me a few questions, nice person, and he wants to take a picture with my backpack, big backpack. So like he took a picture and he asked me like, yeah, are you having any kind of problems or something? I said no. Like he was like willing to help me without even asking. So I'll say that I love my Thai people. There's no complaint about any single Thai people so far. They are like very friendly, very nice, very calm, but only to foreigners. So many things I'm learning. As of now, I'm more I'm traveling, much I'm learning, you know, why they're like this. Like they're really friendly, they give you a lot of respect, but to foreigners, like whenever I'm just like taking a bike taxi or something, like they're bowing down their head and like they're saying kabung kab and all, you know. But I've never seen any Thai person doing this gestures to another Thai person, you know. That's what I felt like, you know, like they're just only nice with us, you know, like especially with me, like they're really friendly and really nice. And I also made few friends this time also. Last time also, like I had few friends, you know. So, but the way things works here is really complicated, man. This time I'm not at all enjoying here. For I don't know why, like every time like you have to go one place to another place, you know, and like it's just stress. Just to buy this I had to came like 3 kilometers from bike taxi, and like it wasn't like I had to wait 6 to 7 minutes for that, you know, like, and because it takes time. Everything you do, it takes time, you know, like it takes time. It's not as easy like in Vietnam I did the Grab bike taxi all the time, you know, whenever I called for a taxi, it was just right there within 2-3 minutes, you know, like. But here it's like you gotta wait a lot, you know, like at least 7 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it can take 15 minutes, you know, like, and things get closed. As you can see right now, it will be around like 6 o'clock, 6 something like this, and everything is like shutting down, you know. Everything is like quiet, everything is shutting down. They have nightlives, but not everywhere, you know. At some specific parts they have nightlife, you know, where you can go, where you can chill. Last night I was there at some bar, you know, as you guys have already seen. So right now I'll do nothing. I have bought myself this. I'll buy some that medicine, that Thai medicine, if I can get it, and I have to withdraw some cash, and then I have to do my tickets for tomorrow. Like tomorrow I'll be leaving, most probably, if I get the tickets. I don't know where. Maybe I can go to Chiang Rai, maybe I can go to like Laos, you know. Right now it's too frustrating. I was looking for tickets as well, like my flight tickets. Nothing is available because of this time of the year, you know, like everything is booked, everything is fully booked, you know. Feels like I'm stuck here and I want to leave as soon as I can, you know. If it's possible, then within the next hour I want to leave, you know. But let's see. So I'll talk to you guys once I'm done with my stuff. So like that day when I was coming from the airport to my hotel, the location wasn't showing, and so the cab driver, he was a gentleman, he was a really gentleman. He just told me like to call that hotel so that they can speak in Thai and we can navigate, you know, like navigate the road. So that's what I did. I called that person and I said like, if you speak in Thai, and they spoke, like the cab driver, you know, like he was around like 60, 65 years, like was like this, and he spoke, I don't know what he spoke, but the lady at the reception, you know, she started yelling at him. I don't understand why, like, and she started yelling at him. I couldn't understand what they're talking about. It took like few calls to settle down, you know, like they had a little fight, you know, and it was like, I was like, why they're even fighting? Like just a simple navigation, like you guys can speak in your own language, right? And what makes you like to yell at each other, you know? I didn't understand, but I didn't ask anything, you know. When I got down at the hotel, when I was checking in, that lady said like, you understand English? I said yeah, and the lady was like nice to me. She was also nice to me. She was complaining to me about that taxi driver, that he doesn't know how to do location. He like, I know how to do location, but that guy is like, his job is like driving, but he doesn't know location. Like he started saying this to me, like I know how to do location, but he doesn't, and all. And she was pretty angry. I don't understand. Well, like, it's a simple mistake, right? It's a simple mistake. Anybody can do mistakes when it comes about location. You don't have to be yell at each other, right? You don't have to be shouting. Maybe he doesn't know. He's an old guy. He doesn't know how to do the location, and he asked you like where to come. So simply you can say it. Why you guys are like yelling at each other? That's what I realized. Okay, that's why earlier they were yelling at each other. They said something to each other. I don't know why. You guys are really nice to us, right? Why not to each other? That is my question. Or maybe if I'm wrong, I don't know. Mark me up in the comment section down below. So I'm gonna go out of this hotel right now. I'm gonna stay downstairs until it's a little bit clear. So once I reach there, I'll talk to you guys more about my journey from Surat Thani back to Bangkok. Oh my god, I'm too stressed. Finally got my seat. They gave me a sticker. I have to put the sticker here. Okay.